scholars, so today is Friday. I love Fridays. Means it's the weekend, and it means that we're at the end of our next line on our calendar grid. So we figured out some cool patterns. We noticed yesterday that the black and white leaves, if we count by threes, we can predict when the next black and white leaf is going to be. So since it was yesterday, we know that today's leaf is not going to be black and white. It's going to have a color, right? So we're going to take our observations today and write them again in our number corner observations. So we can see we recorded our things for yesterday. I'm excited to figure it out. So here we go. Today is October 16th, 2020, and it is Friday, like we said earlier. So I'm going to flip us over so we can record our data. Whoa, a cool leaf. I would say that this leaf, what is that leaf color? What do you think? It's not orange because 8, that's orange. I would say this is gold. So today is the 16th. I would say that we have a gold leaf. Beautiful. And then let's see what the orientation is. Remember, if I go to my top, I can see what the labels to our columns are. And this is orientation. So we need to figure out, is it right side up or upside down? It's definitely upside down, right? Upside down. Nice work. Then we're going to figure out, is this a palmate or a pinnate leaf? Oh, you know what we could do? We could look back at 8 and see what we wrote for there. Look back at the data we already collected. 8 is a pinnate leaf. So I'm going to write that too. It also confirms our idea that you have to have 5 pinnate leaves in a row to have a palmate. We're only on number 3, so we have 2 more to go. And then, is 16 odd or even? In my head, can 16 be put into 2 equal parts? 16. What do we think? If we follow our pattern here, it's going to be even. Nice. So because today is the 16th and it's Friday, let's flip over our 17th day of October here because it's Saturday and we don't have school. So we're at October 17th, 2020. Ooh, a new leaf. So before we go to our observations data, let's look at what we have here. I notice that it's October 17th. It's a green leaf. It's right side up, and it's definitely a pinnate leaf, right? Very cool. So I'm going to come over here. It is the 17th. We said our leaf is gold. No, it's green. Gold was the day before. We said it is right side up. It is a pinnate leaf because it reminds me of a feather for sure. And then, do we think it's odd or even? What do you think? So if I come over here, I'm going to look. Is it odd or even? Interesting. Remember, we can always figure this out by drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture over here to the side. Now I know a doubles fact to help me with this. So I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm going to use a 10 frame right now. I'm going to draw 10 using my red color. So there's 10. All right. Now I'm going to use blue to kind of outline that. There's a 10 frame. I did my best to draw it. Now I have 10, but I need to get to 17. So I'm going to count by 2. So that's 12 because 10 plus 2 is 12. 14. 16, which is what we figured out. We knew 16 was even because if I divide this, the top and the bottom, kind of like a number rack, it would be even. But now I have 17. So I have 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. I could also count by ones adding on. So I'm going to circle my groups. I've uneven groups, which means that our number is odd. So we know it's odd, and those are our data for today. Happy Friday, everybody.